Incredible benefits of meditation you should know. Benefits of meditation. In modern times, people are becoming more health conscious. That shouldn't surprise anyone, right? The increasing number of sick people has led to most people not wanting to risk their health. You see many early morning and evening exercises, people doing yoga, jogging, walking, etc. Meditation is something many people overlook. Keeping your body in shape is essential, but the benefits of meditation can do wonders for your mental well-being as well. Meditation offers incredible benefits that most of us aren't aware of. Although many people would advise you to practice meditation, you might not be receptive to their advice since you don't realize the benefits of meditation. The excellent help of meditation will blow your mind when you read this article. In the end, it's not just the physical condition that counts, right? 1. Meditation slows down aging. You won't be surprised. Your aging will not be slowed down by only those expensive products you buy over the counter. Practicing meditation regularly and according to the proper method can slow down the aging process. People think they are meditating when they are actually dozing off, only that they aren't lying down. Those techniques aren't effective ways of meditating, and you won't reap the benefits of meditation. Sarah Laser, a psychologist at Harvard University, conducted research and concluded that regular meditation leads to more gray matter in the brain. The increase in the gray matter of the cerebrum in the brain will slow down aging. So if you want to look young, you should definitely meditate. The more you do it, the more convinced you will be. Try it out now. 2. Stress levels are reduced in those who meditate. Most of us will deal with the effects of stress at a later date. In meditation, you observe all of the body's movements and the functioning of its involuntary functions, such as heartbeats, etc. Your mind will be at ease when you do this. You will automatically feel calmer when you meditate. When you contemplate, all the outside problems will stay in the spotlight as you connect with yourself. Thus, meditating for some time if you are very stressed will help you feel better. 3. Meditation increases willpower. Are you concerned that you may not achieve your goals? You've been trying your best, but it just won't happen? The problem may be that you aren't powerful in your willpower. No worries, you aren't alone. Willpower can be increased through a variety of methods. A robust process is meditation. Meditation benefits will define your goals clearly, and you will be communicating with yourself when you're meditating. Meditating allows you to tune into the inner guidance that tells you what you should aim for. Regular practice of this technique will enable you to achieve your goals more effectively since it increases your willpower tremendously. All you have to do is take some lonely time with yourself, shut your eyes and meditate. You will be surprised to see the power of your will. 4. Meditation improves concentration power. Focusing on a single object is very difficult for many people. While they are dreaming, their minds keep wandering. Despite being physically present at some place, they would have their thoughts elsewhere. Meditation benefits can provide you with real-time results, too, if you, too, are seeking the solution. Many Indian saints, such as Swami Vivekananda, meditated daily and were renowned for their concentration powers. No matter what you're doing, whether you're studying, watching a movie, working at your office, or doing anything else, you're just wasting your time. Concentration powers keep you focused on whatever you're doing. 5. Concentration promotes a healthy lifestyle. Meditation raises your energy levels too much. As a result of making it a point to meditate every morning, your energy will be boosted all day long. For the same reason, you can observe that people who practice yoga every day seem all peppy and energetic throughout the day. When you meditate, you lead a healthy lifestyle. You will experience an increase in appetite, which will raise your hunger pangs, which will encourage you to eat food as soon as possible. 6. Meditation increases happiness. Those who practice meditation regularly are found to be happier than those who do not. Meditation brings you closer to your inner self, and self-awareness allows you to satisfy a lot of your needs. As I have already mentioned, when you meditate, your willpower will increase, which will guide you in achieving a lot of your goals. This creates a sense of accomplishment within yourself. This, in turn, leads to self-satisfaction, and you will find yourself happier. In addition to resolving many ego-related issues, meditation slows down your self-centered tendencies. It's okay to have an ego. The health of an individual depends on a certain amount of ego. Being overly egoistic will, however, work against you. Meditating can, therefore, help you to become less self-centered, thus leading to greater happiness. They were the incredible meditation benefits that most of us are not aware of. At the end of the day, no products you will buy by spending tons of money will assure you happiness and peace of mind. It is self-awareness and knowing what you really are, what you really need, what you really want to accomplish that can bring happiness in your life. Having said that, I wish you a happy meditating experience. Enjoy your time with yourself.